What's up, y'all? This is Nighthawk 135, and I'm gonna be posting a video on the Kato Maxi 4 Pacer Stack Train well cars. These I got two of them, as you can see. I got them for $110 each, and yeah, they look really nice. I have not opened them yet, so I was just gonna open them up and review them to show y'all. So first, just slide the box off, and there's the glare. It's kind of, and there they are. Really nice protection for travel and storage. So there is a slide that you just slide up, then you actually get the well cars itself, little foam tab. This packaging is really nice. You just grab the well car, take it out, and then it has this little container, styrofoam. So I'm gonna do that for all of them. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the review. So, oh, they're metal. These are nice. All right. Let me put the light back. Okay. So, we have a Kato coupler, which is normal. The walkways, which are not see-through, but they still look really good. We got the tank. I'm pretty sure this is the air tank. Nice brake wheel, nice grab irons and handrails. See, 53 foot, and you have these white things that help keep the container inside. The under, that's what the under looks like. Then this is the B set. There's the road number, and all the fine print is readable with magnification, and the paint is very crisp. I know there may be a little bit like that. That's just the styrofoam. It looks really good. Now we have the more walkways, and you have the grabs, so you can grab on. These are metal too, which is really nice. I have some other ones. I don't think they are metal too. So, but now I have three sets. So here is the wheels, very smooth. All right, that's the B set. Here's the C set. Actually, here, I'm going to show y'all some underbody detail too. This is what the underside looks like. Very nice. That's what the connection point looks like. So you just connect it. I'll show y'all that in a minute. Now we have the more walkways, more grabs. Oh, we do have some nice reflectors. which are really good. Got more walkways and grabs. That's it for the C. So, there's a connector right there. We have more grabs and walkways. Some air tank detail right there. And here's what it looks like. The A end does not have any air tank detail. And you have a Kato coupler, which is, I would switch it out for a Kato, but you got more walkways, which are really nice. You got these walkways, more grabs. Hold on, there's a little white thing. Don't know what that is. I hope it's just styrofoam. There we go. But, yeah, these are really nice. Highly recommend them. Someone's driving their sports car. There's there's the under side. All right, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all how to connect them now. All right. So simply you just get this, the hole, there's that little pin. Then you just get it, lift it up, put it, and then push down. You hear a little click, feel it in place, and then it's in place. And you're, I don't know how, I think these are, I think 18 degrees. I know they can go on 22 because my other ones can. But I'm pretty sure it's 18 degrees. And they look really good. I'm gonna put this one now. And we're gonna test to see if it wobbles. So, just gotta connect them again. Push down. You wanna kind of lift up, yeah. That helps, but they do not wobble. These are very well made. Highly recommend them. Yeah, I would give them a 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, they're amazing. They're 53 foot, and this is just a standard, just unboxing. I have some more right there. Different road number. Or not, yeah, road number, that would be right. So yeah, that's the review. Thanks for watching. Go check out my shorts. I do a lot of filming, other of HO scale and real trains in real life. So subscribe, please. I'm trying to get to 200 when I post this. So thanks, helps a ton. Bye.